Hey Techy Boy, today there is a task for you. You name yourself a Techy Boy, that means somebody who is literally brilliant in tech. And I have a doubt on you. Let me give you a challenge to you. Today your challenge is that during a phone call, without touching the dial pad icon, you need to call in a person's call. Me, you're challenging me for that? It's so simple, man. It is so simple that within 1 minute or less than a minute I could finish that thing. So let's get started. So for that I would like to have something from you. It's that you need to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you agree to subscribe, I will show you the trick. So subscribe. Thanks a lot. It means a lot to me. So let's get started with the video. So for this, you need to go into the setting app. First of all, get into your phone setting, and in the search bar search power button and call. Yeah, search already done. Then tap that option. When you tap that option, scroll down the options. You will see there power button and call. Just on that setting. After that, everything is done. There is nothing to do. You can try an experiment by using another phone and calling your phone in. Call end with the power button. You no longer, if your hand is wet or anything happens, your phone got hang up and anything else, without touching the phone you could end the person's phone call just on that setting. Thanks a lot for the views, and please do subscribe.